Alright, what we have here is a Smith & Wesson M&P 45. I'm going to go over basic disassembly for cleaning and maintenance purposes. First thing is, with any gun, we want to make sure that it's clear of any ammunition. So we'll go ahead and drop the magazine, lock the slide to the rear, and we're clear. We're going to go ahead and leave the magazine out for this disassembly. First thing, we're going to lock the slide to the rear. The slide lock is going to be slid down into the down position. We're going to release the slide, pull the trigger, and slide the slide forward. The recoil spring just sits on the barrel in the little notch. So with a little bit of pressure, it pops right out. And the barrel, it's just a matter of pulling that out and sliding it out. That's as far as you need to disassemble it for any basic procedure. The back strap can also be removed if you have a back strap kit or extra back straps that may or may not fit better, by just twisting this pin, pulling it out, and that will allow you to change back straps. To put it back together, we'll take our slide and drop our barrel back in. The recoil spring has a flat side and a side with a looks like a hex bolt head on it. The hex bolt head will go to the front of the slide. The flat part will go into the notch of the barrel, and then we're simply going to slide the slide back onto the frame and lock it to the rear. The slide release pin can be released at that point, and release the slide. Functions check, and there you have it. Disassemble, reassembly of the Smith & Wesson M&P 45.